Hello everyone, we are back with another unboxing video. Today, guess what I have? I love what I'm about to show you guys. It is so cute. Let's see. I haven't unboxed it, so I'm unboxing with you guys. Oh my gosh. I got the recto verso wallet card holder. I love it. There's a pocket in the front. Then another pocket here. Then it has 3 card slots with this extra one right here. And then it goes all the way down. And so cute. Let's see. So here in Italy, I paid 430 euros for this. So in US dollars, that equals to 535 right now. But it's all black inside. I love the black little detail. I'm so in love with this. So cute. And it's so skinny. I mean, nothing's in it, but it'll still be really compact. That's what I love. Anyways, my first ever Louis. It's so cute. I love it.